Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is your Srinivas Kalwad. So in last video you guys saw the flying the drone where the transmitter and receiver got disconnected. So I wanted to just talk about the transmitter and receiver, what it is, and uh, where exactly it used and how it is used. Okay, so I'll start with transmitter. So this is the transmitter where you can see on the top of box there will be a configuration written. So the configurations, or you can say specifications also, each works on 2.4 gigahertz frequency, that is RF frequency, and which has a bandwidth of 500 kilohertz. Okay, rest of the configuration you can go through on that. So this is the transmitter. So what is the work of transmitter exactly? So transmitter, whatever the signal, okay, you are sending command from transmitter. This is the transmitter. If I send some commands from here, some button, if I changed it, or some switch I change it, so this frequency has to reach to the receiver. So this is the receiver. Yeah, it will reach to this receiver, and this receiver will understand what it is exactly sending. Okay, this transmitter and receiver will be auto bind. Sometimes you have to bind it manually. So but all or whatever fly sky, whatever I seen, it will be auto binded. Okay, so transmitter is, so when I say something you will understand, right? In the words what I am saying here, you are understanding that. So that is one protocol. So same thing, the transmitter and receiver of the drone will have some protocols in a sense, set of rules. So if I send a switch turn on turn off, it will understand by some frequency. There will be encoding, decoding factors, everything will be there. Modulation factor will be there, but I don't want to discuss about that, it will be a lengthy video. So whatever I do action here, that has to received in the receiver, and it should understand, and this command will be sent to the flight controller, what exactly the user wants to do. Okay, here I have some 2 type switches, knobs, and 3 type switches, right? So I assigned, this is the 6 channel transmitter, and this is 6 channel receiver. So each channel will hold some information, right? So those information has to be conveyed to the receiver, and the receiver will understand and it will act on it. So when I say 6 channel, the 4 channels will be used for the pitch, roll, yaw. This is my first video. If you are not understanding what is pitch, roll and yaw, you go back to the first video and check it. So there is a pitch, roll, yaw, and one more thing is, those are 3 basic terms, and one more thing is throttle. Throttle is, this is the throttle stick, what up down I am doing it, right? So this is the throttle stick. If I do up, the thrust will be created and drone will go up. Okay, this is the throttle stick. So and here only we have yaw. Okay, if I do like this from left right, this is the yaw. Okay, whenever you do from left, it will take the left yaw, rightly yaw. So that's the same thing. So here we have one more stick. So this is roll. Okay, move left, right, and up, down, right? This is the roll, and this is the pitch. You can see this is the pitch, up down is the pitch, left right is the roll. Okay, this is about roll, pitch, yaw, and throttle. So throttle, for your more information, so whenever you want to make a drone fly into the upright, so that time you move this stick, then it will be flying to the upwards. Okay, so there are things called arm and disarm also. So whenever I do this throttle stick only to the left corner, okay, to the left corner. So disclaimer here, whatever I am saying left right to this side, the left corner if I do, it will armed, it get armed. So whenever I do the right, for my right, whatever right I am seeing here, for my right, then it is a disarmed. Okay, so arm disarm will be explained when I am binding these two transmitter and receiver, and also when I am configuring assembling the drone, I will tell you. So these are the things. And for switch 1 2 3, right, this 3 tap switch and what I am using as channel 5. For channel 5 assigned this switch. So this switch holds stabilize mode, alt mode, position mode. In last video I explained about those things, right? And this switch to connect external servo motor to turn on turn off that motor, I am using this as a channel 6. So these are the assigned because it is has only 6 channels, so I use these are the configuration of 6 channels. Now I'll just jump into the receiver. So this is the receiver, compact, okay, where you can see the writings on this one. It says channel 1 2 3 4 5 6. It's a 6 channel receiver which gets received of 2.4 gigahertz signal. It has 2 antenna probes here, and you can see the writings also here. 4 to 8.4 volt of DC it takes as an input. Okay, whatever. So whenever I say transmitter and receiver, these are the two things should come to your mind. So this is the thing which is sending the data to this one, and this is receiving it, and it will act on that data or information, whatever you can say. So these are the two things which I wanted to explain about what is transmitter and receiver. So that's all I had about. So thank you for watching video. Please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.